Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can set your created character on Character AI from public to private and vice versa. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to Character AI and let's say you have created an AI character here to have conversations with it. So what you want to do is navigate to your profile in the bottom left by clicking into it, select public profile. And after that, you will be redirected to that list here. So you may click into characters and you will see the list of all your created characters below. Now, what you want to do, guys, is click into this globe icon here, public. And after that, what you want to do is take a look at that panel here to the right. So what you want to do is navigate to these three dots, select edit. And you will be redirected to the customization or editing of the given character. And here, guys, scroll all the way down and under visibility, switch from public to private so that the given character is only available for you. If you leave it at public, others here on the discovery or discover tab or in their home feed here may see your created character as well and interact and chat with it, for example, if you have left it or kept it at public here. And there's also the option to make them unlisted so that their characters are available for chat to a selected number of people you have provided a link with. But I will go with private so that it will be available only for you when you log into your account and navigate to your profile icon and choose your character to chat from there. Click into save and chat here or save changes. And that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.